Okie dokie, the text you are reading or listening to for this lesson is called Trees or Bikes. So you'll open it with Cami as always. It says to the editor. An editor is somebody who's in charge of deciding what goes in a newspaper or a magazine, or it can even be a book. But in this case, the context is like a newspaper probably. So somebody can write in with their opinion about something that's happening in their community. In this case, if they should put new trails in a park, which would cut down trees, or if they should keep the trees and not make the bike trail, or if there's some compromise in between. So you'll read this text. Remember, you can use text to speech. If that's not working, if you go to the top right with those 3 lines and click OCR for scan PDFs, you should be able to scan it, and then it should be, the text to speech should work. Okay, and then there's 4 questions to answer. What are people in the city thinking of doing in Carson Park? Why? How does the writer of the letter feel about this? Underline evidence in the text to support your answer for number 2. Is the compromise proposal a good one? So that's just your opinion, why or why not. And then number 4 is connecting it to your own life. Have there been any changes recently in your community? It could have to do with COVID and masks. It could have to do with the pandemic, or like playgrounds, stores, restaurants. There's a lot that actually has changed recently in our community. So pick something or some other change I'm not thinking of and write about how you feel about the change. Okay, so just your opinion. Again, this really is a whole opinion piece that somebody is sharing with the editor. Again, pretty straightforward. If you need help with it, I am available. That is what I am here for, is to help you with your assignments. So just let me know. Good luck. Oh, I keep almost forgetting. Goodness. The word today is on. O-N. On. So that is what you can add to your little note, keeping track of what the phrase for this week is. Good luck. You got this.